Hey guys, Laura here from Budget Music Videos. I am here today to give you my top 4 tips on how to shoot a low budget music video. Doesn't matter what you're filming on. If you're filming it on your phone, it really doesn't matter. Follow these 4 tips and you cannot fail. 1, keep it simple. Pick a really good location and roll with it. No scripts, nothing. Sing to the camera. That's it, it's done. Tip 2 is good light. If the sun is out there, use it to your advantage. If not, fill your face with light. Looks so much more professional. Tip 3 is good angles. Always shoot close, mid, and wide. That's it, gives lots of variation. Tip 4 is trying to be bokeh. It always gives it more of a cinematic look. In other words, everything behind you is blurred. If you can do that, good job. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, bye. Oh my God, I can't get this in a minute. Holy shit.